the heart of the Mediterranean, where the romance of the medieval Golden Age stands still. Today, our journey takes us to Malta, a magical island where endless emerald waters meet ancient cities filled with thousands of years of history. Leave your busy routine behind for a moment and step into Malta's most breathtaking scenery, accompanied by the soothing melodies of smooth jazz. Turn on the screen, sit back, and enjoy this peaceful sanctuary created just for you. Our first destination is Valletta, a magnificent fortress city entirely designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Every corner and alleyway breathes medieval history through intricately carved stone buildings and charming, vibrant balconies. As we ascend to the upper Barrakka Gardens, the most stunning view of Malta unfolds. The massive historic forts rising above the deep blue sea tell a story of grandeur. Watching this epic panoramic scenery while feeling the gentle Mediterranean breeze proves exactly why travelers from all over the world fall in love with Malta. Leaving the vibrancy of Valletta behind, we journey into the ancient capital of Mdina, beautifully known as the Silent City. In this serene walled town, where the sound of footsteps replaces the roar of cars, you'll feel as though you've traveled centuries back in time. Moving toward the edge of the island, we encounter the sheer majesty of nature at the Dingli Cliffs. The waves crashing beneath the breathtaking, sheer cliffs and the sky turning into a warm crimson sunset offer a deep sense of peace and healing to the soul. A short ferry ride from the main island brings us to Gozo, a mystical sister island where time flows even slower. Stepping onto Gozo feels like entering a different world. Golden cliffs, crystal clear canyons, and stories as old as time. If you're looking for the true soul of Malta, you'll find it right here. Malta, where the deep blue Mediterranean meets the golden whispers of history. Stepping into this slower rhythm was the perfect escape I didn't know I needed. I hope this journey brought a little sunshine to your day.